Xbox One's black screen of death is bricking consoles again. No one wants a black screen of death. I don't want a blue screen of death. I don't want any screen of death, no matter the color. They're all equally...
anything with death is not good.
Although
unless it's death metal.
Or the drink that everybody's promoting, Liquid Death, which is the seltzer water, but it has a really metal-looking
Oh, okay, yeah, that's
theme.
good.
Have you seen
Water's
this?
good.
Yeah,
I've heard of it.
They call it Liquid Death because, to be edgy or whatever, you can look this stuff up. Everybody, mountain water. So so you're just drinking water,
looks
but
like a beer.
you get to have a cool can.
Yeah.
As you drink water and fit in with the. I mean, actually, I don't really know what the pitch is. I guess it's just cool branding.
Yeah.
Which is fine.
Yeah.
And if they want to send us some, it's no problem. Branding, man, you can't underestimate branding. If I had a can of that, people would be wondering, what is that can? But if you look at typical water branding, it's pretty subdued and lacking character. Yeah. So
no, I agree.
You go for it, Liquid Death. You have my full support here. Most everybody remembers the infamous Red Ring of Death. Of course, I remember that. That occurred. I had that experience on the Xbox 360. That's where the ring around the power button would turn red and you were dead. And essentially, you had a bricked console, and they would send you another one. You send that one back. It was no fun. The problem was eventually fixed after Microsoft dropped a cool $1 billion on it. But now there's another flaw plaguing the new ones. The black screen of death appears to have largely affected those who've registered as an Xbox Insider, an opt-in program that allows players to test drive upcoming console functions. Ooh, so the beta testers, the early adopters, some kind of bug or something like this, I suppose, that could have caused a problem. For example, Xbox Insiders received early access to the ballyhooed game suspension functionality, which speeds up downloads on Xbox One and Series XS. New updates roll out on a periodic basis, sometimes every few days, and it seems this wave of black screens is a bug related to one of those recent patches.
Yeah.
Well, this is no good, Will. You don't want to have this happen to you.
I like this artistic rendition of it.
Oh, that is cool. This is what it might look like. It's a black screen.
Yeah.
So smart. Kotaku.